Hello, my name is Larry and welcome to my channel, 956 Studio. This is my second part of my greenhouse build. Now it's not quite finished yet, but I wanted to give you an update on where we was at. We did get the plastic strung around it yesterday on two sides. We didn't get the other end and we don't have the door quite put in it yet, but I just wanted to fill you in on where we was at. I know one thing you're probably going to ask is, why do I have so many different types of windows? Different colors and that sort of question. Well, that's pretty easy to answer. I'm on a kind of a tight budget, being that I'm retired, and I found these windows at actually a yard sale. Now I didn't find that one back there, but I found these others here, along with the one on the other end, which is 6 of them for, I want to say they charged me $25 for all of them. So that was a deal there, I thought. And I did put them in there the best way I thought I should have them in the greenhouse. Now, second-hand thinking might have said to put them somewhere else, but that's where we got them at. We did get the plastic. Plastic's only 3 mil. And the top consists of a cover light material, which is right here on the ground. Now, if you plan on using this stuff, it's quite pricey. I think a sheet like that right there that's 8 feet long costs you something like $30 or $28 or something like that. So yeah, it's actually a pretty good material, but it's very, very pricey. Now, we've never had a greenhouse, and we are following some other people out here on YouTube that are building these greenhouses. And a lot of people say you can and can't grow inside one of them. Well, we're going to try both, okay? We're going to see what's going to happen. We're in South Texas, and South Texas down here gets 110, 115 degrees, it seems like, in the summer months. It doesn't quite cool down near as fast as it does in the other parts of the country, but yeah, we're gonna see what we can do inside this greenhouse as well as outside also. You see how we put the plastic in the windows? We actually covered the windows and then came in and cut X across them and layered that stuff out, and then we'll staple them to the outside. The posts that are holding it upright are 4x4s treated. It is 20 feet by 10 in dimensions. I'm going to be using some white rock on the bottom. I've got some put there, now it's only 5 bags. I'm going to end up probably putting 15 or 20 bags in here. The ball could have been a lot cheaper, but where we're at, either way you look at it, it's pretty expensive. Now in the middle there, you're going to see that's going to be my seed starting spot. I'm going to put foil down, like you see, foil board, I guess you call it, Xterra Halo. And then again, this stuff is pretty pricey. I think it was like $26, $28 at Lowe's as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and put me some plastic inside that. Then I'm going to put sand on top of that. Or before I put the sand in, I'm actually going to put some of these gutter heaters. It's like strips. They want to run on 110. We're going to put that in there and then cover those in sand, so we'll have heat coming off the bottom radiating from the foil board up through the sand to our seed starting trays. So yeah, we really didn't know where we wanted to put it in the greenhouse, but the 10-foot side is over there, or 12-foot, I forget what's on that side, but it's a little shorter on this end versus the other end, the way we built it. And I'm going to use this corner back here to store a lot of my tools and stuff in this corner back here. My seed starting bed is going to be here, and then I'll do my plant and I'll build my racks and everything else accordingly. But yeah, I just wanted to update you on the situation here and see what kind of comments or suggestions y'all would offer as you've seen this build. I know there's going to be a few of y'all really criticizing me pretty hard, but it's okay. I'll take constructive criticism as well as I do any other criticism. So I don't know everything. I don't believe anybody does. If they do, they're damn sure lying to you. But all comments and questions, welcome down below in the description. And oh yeah, that old front porch door, I found that on the Facebook Marketplace. $20, no hinges. I found the hinges on Amazon, and I'll post a link down there in the description where you can get those if you ever need them. There'll also be some other links down in the description as to some of the stuff we used and some of the products we're going to be using to start these seeds and grow our garden. And I bet you're wondering what that little tomato right there is in the middle of that seed starting table. No. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a video together of how you can make that tomato produce twice as much as what it normally would in a smaller size space. I've got a few other tricks I want to pass on to you. And we're going to start doing more gardening videos because it seems like that's the right thing for us to do at our age. And we really enjoy it. We have our own chickens. We got our own, there's some chickens out yonder running around. So we got our own eggs. We got 5 rescue dogs and 2 rescue cats. So we're a pretty giving family. Our animals mean a lot to us. And I guess this greenhouse is going to mean a lot to us in time, because looks like that's about the only thing we're going to be able to do in our upper age. Oh yeah, there you go. That tank you see over there, that's catching the rainwater off this big old building right here. And it takes it right back inside over here. Let's see if I can get you around and show you that. So we're going to have plenty of rainwater to actually see the big old tanks back there in the back. There's 2 of them back there amongst all that junk. We got pumps running on those. They shoot water back out in the yard for our sprinkler systems. And then we're testing this over here right now. This is what's running them. Got some batteries back there hooked up, inverter, charger, controller, and a breaker box there, and extension cord running a pump over there to pump the water outside. So yeah, we're trying to use a little bit of solar. And uh-oh, here comes one of the kitties. What'd you say there, Chico? Yeah, he wandered in the back garden back there about 8 months ago. He just all dried up and about to die, but we saved him too. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We ask that if you did, you hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe. That way we'll notify you of the next video on what we're going to be doing on this greenhouse, or maybe some other videos. We don't just have greenhouse videos, we got all kinds of videos. So thumbs up, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. Comments, questions, leave them down below. We're going to put this part of this video right in the middle of the one on the greenhouse. This is a basil. Now we had a very hard freeze. It got down to 26 degrees. Is it possible? Do you think that basil will come back out as long as we keep water on it? We know the roses did very well. Look at those. Those are beautiful green. And then we got another tree over here. It's called a guayaba. It froze, but it seems to be coming out at the very bottom. Now this is the second time that it froze. We're going to probably have to cut the tops off and let it start all over again. And then now we're over here to another rose bush. This rose bush made it right through the winter, no problem. The third rose bush, you see right here. Look at it, it's already coming back out. Didn't cover it at all during the freeze, but it's already blooming. Yeah, there we go. There's old chickens out there. Just a little bit of side entertainment. There's old Pikachu the rooster, and Pinto's in the pen. No, he doesn't lay no eggs, but he sure cackles a lot. And this is the daddy rooster of them all, old Pinto. Okay, now let's get back to the video. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.